Hello guys, I hope you all are doing great. In this quick tutorial video, I will explain to you how to pair a new replacement AirPods left or right, or even both, with your old charging case or a new replacement charging case to your old AirPods. The repairing method is really simple and is the same for all AirPods models, starting from AirPods first generation up to AirPods Pro second generation. It's really simple and will take you just a few minutes. Follow these steps. Step number 1. Unpair the previous AirPods. On your iPhone, go to Settings, select Bluetooth and find your AirPods in the list of connected devices. Tap the information icon next to your AirPods and choose Forget this device. Confirm the action by tapping Forgot device. This will unpair your previous AirPods from your iCloud account on all your devices and will allow you to repair them again. Step number 2. Charge the replacement AirPods and the charging case. Put the new replacement AirPods in the charging case. Connect the lightning cable to the charging case and plug it into a power source. Allow the AirPods to charge for about 15 minutes to ensure they have enough power for the setup process, because otherwise it may not pair from the first time. Step number 3. Pair the replacement AirPods. Make sure both AirPods are inside your charging case. Open the lid and check the status light. It should flash amber or orange, which indicates that your AirPods are not paired between them. While the lid is open, press and hold the setup button on the back of the charging case for about 5 seconds. The status light should flash white. Hold your AirPods next to your iPhone and a setup animation will appear on your screen. Tap Connect, then tap Done. Congratulations, you just paired your new replacement AirPods to your old case. Now, your newly paired AirPods will appear on all your devices and you will be able to use them again. What to do if the pairing process failed? If you followed my tutorial and you are still unable to pair your AirPods, there might be 2 reasons. Make sure you give enough time to replacement AirPods and the old AirPods to charge inside the charging case. Also, make sure that the charging case is charged enough. Make sure to give them at least 15 minutes to stay together, both the old AirPod, the new replacement one and the old charging case. Make sure you purchase the original replacement AirPods. There are a lot of fake AirPods on the market today, and obviously a fake one will not pair with the real one, so take it in mind. Guys, I hope my video was helpful. Please like and comment below. If you want to support me, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Check out my other videos on my channel as well. Thanks again for watching and see you next time on YouTube. Bye bye.